Caring for a new tattoo properly will help prevent an infection and keep your tattoo looking bright and clear. After you get your tattoo artist should apply a layer of petroleum jelly and a clear bandage over it. According to Inked magazine, you should leave this bandage on for several hours or overnight to protect your skin from bacteria and keep it from rubbing against something. Then, wash your hands, remove the bandage, and gently wash your tattoo with antibacterial soap and water. Pat the area dry, then apply a layer of antibacterial ointment or petroleum jelly to it. Let your skin breathe and don't apply another bandage. For the next 3 weeks, continue to wash your tattoo once or twice a day with antibacterial soap and apply a thin layer of ointment after each wash. Avoid submerging your tattoo in water until it's fully healed. Don't worry if your tattoo scabs or flakes, which is normal. However, don't scratch or pick at your tattoo, since this could lead to scarring and cause the design to fade. If your skin shows sign of an infection, like redness, warmth, pain, and leaking pus, visit your doctor.